Hallo, hallo beautiful souls, sejam bem-vindos, bienvenidos, bienvenue, herzlich willkommen und asat mil speitinade to my session today. I am so excited to be here with you, and today's session is called Healing and Higher Consciousness Through Holistic Language Learning. And for those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Lina Vasquez. I am a polyglot, I speak 7 languages, and I'm also the founder of LVL Holistic Language Learning. I also run a YouTube channel which is based on holistic language learning, and throughout the years has really developed into combining personal development with multilingualism. And my greatest mission in this world is really to transform the borders that exist and create bridges using the realm of languages and communication and deeper soul connection for us all. Because a lot of the time, the borders that exist, the limitations that are created, they begin within ourselves. They are created within ourselves, and so they stretch into cultural limitations and then global limitations. And so the world that I hope to create alongside many others is one in which we celebrate our differences, and one in which we can see the magic behind all of that which makes us different. And so you're probably wondering what holistic language learning is and what this session is about. So I'm going to take you through a beautiful multilingual meditation today. And in a moment, I will tell you how to get ready and get us all prepared into the right mood and the right vibrations. But before that, holistic language learning really came about because I was really passionate about languages and traveling and the realm of that space that existed. But alongside that, I was extremely dedicated to my own healing and my own development. And I started to see the intersection not only within myself, but also my clients and people I worked with, of understanding that no matter what you do in life, no matter what you undertake, you will always bring yourself with you. And that was a consistent theme. And so whenever I saw clients with limitations, or my students who didn't believe in themselves, or they would show up to a session, I kind of became a therapist alongside a teacher and a coach. And as I went on to study different fields, so I studied law and I went into psychotherapy, I started to see the interlap of connecting to the human being being the most important aspect, no matter what you are doing, showing, creating, or teaching. And so what holistic language learning really is, it's connecting yourself to all of your senses, your smell, your touch, your sight, your hearing, your taste even, and also then tapping into your body and your mind and your spirit. So creating a program using things like journaling and meditation to really, as you're learning a language or going through the process of expressing yourself in a language, no matter what level you're at, you're simultaneously enhancing yourself as a human being and changing and evolving in an extremely positive way. So you're tapping into limitations that you thought had to do with one area of life, but actually they transcend into multiple. And so it's a healing journey, a self-enhancement journey, and an exploration of the world through a language. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's get comfortable. You can put on something that makes you feel at ease. Find a place to sit, preferably on the floor, and I will show you how to do the sitting position in a second. And let's get started. Vámonos. Welcome to this meditation for self-love. Today, we are going to connect to ourselves, connect to our body and our spirit on a deeper level. Take a moment to get comfortable. Sit on the floor, on a chair, or whatever feels best for you. Place your left hand on your heart and your right hand on your lower belly. Breathe in, atme ein aus. Breathe out. Atme ein und aus. Scan your body, starting with your head. Go down and feel if there is any tension. Atme ein und aus. Let go. Lass los. Lass alles los. Let everything go. Atme ein und aus. Listen to these words and feel them throughout your entire being. Dear body, danke, thank you, danke for all that you do for me, für alles, was du für mich tust. Dear body, thank you for all that you do for me. Lieber Körper, danke für alles, was du für mich tust. Dear body, thank you. Obrigada. Thank you for all that you let me experience. Querido corpo, obrigada por tudo que eu posso experienciar. Breathe in, breathe out. Now take a few moments to just sit, feel and connect with your body. Verbinde dich mit deinem Körper. Connect to your body. Now, relax your hands and put them either beside you or on your knees, whatever feels comfortable. And with your eyes closed, listen to the following affirmations. You will hear them twice, once in English and once in Spanish. And repeat them either in your mind or out loud. I am more than enough. Soy más que suficiente. Soy más que suficiente. I am more than enough. I am perfect as I am. Soy perfecta como soy. Soy perfecta como soy. I am perfect as I am. I forgive myself. Me perdono a mí misma. Me perdono a mí misma. I forgive myself. I am at peace with my past. Estoy en paz con mi pasado. Estoy en paz con mi pasado. I am at peace with my past. I am proud of myself. Estoy orgullosa de mí misma. Estoy orgullosa de mí misma. I am proud of myself. I am powerful. Soy poderosa. Soy poderosa. I am powerful. I deserve everything I dream of. Merezco todo lo que sueño. Merezco todo lo que sueño. I deserve everything I dream of. Merezco todo lo que sueño. I deserve to love myself. Merezco amarme a mí misma. Merezco amarme a mí misma. I deserve to love myself. I am exactly where I need to be. Estoy exactamente donde necesito estar. Estoy exactamente donde necesito estar. I am exactly where I need to be. Take a deep breath in and out. Remember, anything you feel, any sensations, and any thoughts are completely valid. Now let the following words sink in. I am not my body. No soy mi cuerpo. I am not my mind. No soy mi mente. I am not my body. No soy mi cuerpo. I am not my mind. No soy mi mente. I am love. Soy amor. Slowly come back. Come back to the space. Feel the surface on which you are seated. Feel the air flow through your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes. After you are finished and ready to get up, do one more thing. Go to a mirror where you can see your reflection and say, I see you, I love you, I've got your back. I see you, I love you, I've got your back. Te veo, te quiero, te apoyo. Te veo, te quiero, te apoyo.